Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Redmi Note 12T Pro. For that we will have three ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So you will need the power button for and the volume down button. Just press these both buttons together for short and you're having a screenshot. After you can see the preview, you can share it directly with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together, and you're having a screenshot. If you tap now in the preview, you're also able to edit the screenshot. You can draw something inside, you can highlight something, or you can crop also here a part of the screenshot, what is very useful if you want to capture a picture from a website or something like this. After you can share this edited part directly or with the checkbox, you can send it directly to your gallery. And there's a second way to take a screenshot, so just scroll down right next to the camera to have the control center, and the part of the control center is here, the scissor icon. Just tap on it and you're having a screenshot as well. But the best way to have a screenshot is to use 3 fingers and swipe them across the screen. One more time, take 3 fingers, swipe them over the screen, and you're having a screenshot as well. Yeah, we have to find those screenshots after, of course, here at the gallery. And here the photos, they're mixed up with the camera pictures and so on. So this is why I recommend to you always to go to the albums, because here we have an own folder only for your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something that would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.